fix your clutch squeak. Check this out. Take a piece of wood this long. I use an old piece of chair. Put it up here. Now it's in between the pedal and the sidewall. Just one piece of wood. Sorry about the shakiness. There you have it. Real simple. Now the clutch.